Hi, I'm Scott the Nature Guy. Welcome back. Today, let's see what kind of animals we can find in our backyard. When you're trying to get pictures of nature, you gotta be real quiet. There's a squirrel. That was a gray squirrel. What do you think they like to eat? Let's see what else we could find. Oh, there's a rabbit. Where do you think rabbits live? There's two deer over there. Why do you think they have such big antlers? That was a chipmunk. Aren't they cute? Why don't you go out and see if you can find one? Mr. Turtle lives right there in that pond. Let's see if we can get a picture of it. He hibernates there all winter. When do you think he wakes up? So go out and explore your own backyard or park and see what kind of animals you can find. Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.